Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of creativity with our bulk plain bamboo cutting board set of 12, perfect for those who love to personalize and craft. These natural bamboo boards, each measuring 12 by 9 inches, are not just durable and resistant to warping or splitting, but also offer a versatile canvas for engraving, resin art, and more. Whether you're into laser engraving, wood burning, or even painting, these boards are designed to showcase your artistic flair while being practical for everyday kitchen use. With reversible surfaces, they're ideal for chopping everything from vegetables and meats to cheeses and breads, and they even double as stylish charcuterie boards. Easy to clean with just mild soap and warm water, these boards are crafted to avoid drying or cracking, ensuring they last longer with a simple application of mineral oil after use. Perfect for hanging on the wall or using in your next DIY project, these laserable blanks are a must-have for any creative home. So, unleash your imagination and transform these premium bamboo boards into personalized masterpieces today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.